So today I'm gonna make that Valentine basket I have been telling you guys about. I'm so excited. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, turn that notification bell on, and let's get into it. Let's go. So here are some of the products that I got from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I said the Dollar Tree. I love going to the Dollar Tree, but as you can tell, you see some balloons, or as you can see, heart baskets. These are some little hot cold eye patches or pads, and then some candy, bows, lip gloss over there, some sponges, ribbons, candles. Yeah, my kids tore some of the papers off of the candles, but that's okay. And some rocks back there, some lollipops. So let's get into making a basket. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this off so that we can get it off, because I couldn't get it off with my nails. I'm gonna separate the two baskets. So now we're gonna start with my mom basket first. And we're gonna use this. This is foam. And I believe that is mainly for flowers, but I thought it would go good with the candle holder. So now we're gonna try to measure the candle holder, and I'm gonna cut around with scissors. Be very careful when you do this. I don't recommend doing this if you're under the age of 16 without your parents. It didn't fit. Gotta try again. It's almost there. Push that through. Okay, that's too big. But now we can put that little piece back in there. Perfect. And I'm going to move that into the basket. Place it in there so it could fit pretty good. That's how it looks. So the first thing that I'm going to do now is, let's see, find the rocks. There they are. Gonna cut open the rocks so that I can start putting them in the basket all around it. Put some in the candle holder too to make it look cute. Now decorative shred, we're gonna put some of that in there too. You don't have to use the whole bag, just make it look pretty. I like them hanging out of the basket a little bit as well. So you can see me hanging it out a little bit. That's how it looks right now. Let's see, what am I gonna add? The balloon next. Now this balloon is shorter than the other balloon. I figured my mom would be okay with a shorter balloon. Then I'm gonna put the candy in there. And the reason that balloon is shorter is because one of my kids got to it. And then I like this scarf better for my mom. So I'm gonna put that in there. And the next thing we're gonna do is find which sponge. I like the hard better for her as well. So this is how it looks so far. We need to find which sock. We're gonna put that sock in there. I hope she really likes it. Now I'm going to open this candle. Tea light candle. Put that right in there. And with these tea light candles, I like them like if you have a romantic night at home without the children, put them all around your bathtub, in your bathroom, turn the lights off, and just relax with your significant other. But yeah, back to the basket. I'm hiding all the tags. I don't want them hanging out. Okay. Showing you the basket from every angle. Now I'm getting the bag that's going to go over the basket. By the way, this is my first time making a basket, so I hope you guys really enjoy and get the motivation that you can do it as well. All from the Dollar Tree. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. So now I'm opening the basket and I'm going to put, the bag, and now I'm going to put the basket in the bag. And try to twist the top. For you guys. Tie something at the top of it. I want to cut that off, but these scissors are not working good. Someone stole the good scissors, but I'm making it do what it gotta do. So now I'm gonna try this again. And that's how it looks. But I'm not done yet. Add this bow. This was so hard. And I'm holding the camera the whole time, with my phone the whole time, because the kids messed up my stand. But look, it's done. Look how pretty it is. Now we're moving on to my daughter basket. Should I use this one? Or, where is it? This one. I think I'm gonna use that one. Trying to open this with one hand.
Oh, that's cute. Ain't recording none of that shit.
So now I skipped the little head. I added candles in here. The little pretty candy for my daughter instead of the one that looks strong. A sponge with love. We have the balloon in there. So yeah, we're gonna add a little bit more. Gotta put some more shred around to make it look more festive and pretty for Valentine's Day. And I already added some rocks at the bottom, just a couple. We don't want it too heavy. That's the book for her brothers. Now I'm showing you the basket again one last time. I got the lip gloss in there now, socks. We're going to put the eye patches somewhere right there. Got the candles, the sponge. I think it looks pretty good. We got to stuff a little scarf in there. I forgot about the scarf, so we're going to put that in there. Try to make it a little cute. Okay. And yeah, there it is. And so now we have to finish it up with the wrap again. Gotta put the plastic on. and put some suckers in there. Okay, now we can do the plastic. Now this is the final basket. Look how beautiful it is. Yeah, my daughter should love that. Both of the baskets. I hope you liked that video of me making the Valentine basket. If you did, make sure you subscribe and turn that notification bell on, like and comment. And I thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Peace.